Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly adjust your brightness or your volume on your Nintendo Switch. So if you don't know, all you have to do is hold down the home button right here to open up the quick settings menu. Then on the right side here, we have all these different options like sleep mode, and then we have auto brightness. Then we have the brightness setting, just select it, and then go to the left or right, and this will adjust the screen brightness. If we go down one more, here's the sound. We go left or right for the sound. And then we have airplane mode on or off. So if you're in an airplane or if you just want to play your Nintendo Switch offline, just turn on airplane mode, and then you'll see the symbol right here. It's an indication you're not connected to the Wi-Fi or anything else like that. Then we can go to sleep, and then press home to wake this up. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.